Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about the conditional tense. Now, the topics we'll start with an introduction, and then I'll show you how to conjugate AR verbs, followed by ER verbs, and followed by IR verbs. And then we'll have some additional verbs for your vocabulary. Now, before we start, a review of Module 4, which is titled Introduction to Verbs, would be helpful. Regular verbs are conjugated with a consistent pattern. Now, our focus is on the conditional tense in this module, in Spanish referred to as the potencial simple. These will be the conjugation rules for regular verbs. Now, a conditional tense sentence in English contains either the word would or should. Some examples would be, I would wait, and he should prepare. Now, the Spanish conjugation rule for the conditional tense is as follows. Add the same repeating pattern to the AR, the ER, and the IR infinitive. And these are in red below. So left to right, ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, and ian. Note that these endings are the same as for the imperfect conjugation of ER and IR verbs. So let's go to an example of conjugating an AR verb, hablar. Hablar, as you recall, means to speak or talk. Let's apply the rules. Yo hablaría, tú hablarías, él hablaría, ella hablaría, usted hablaría. Nosotros hablaríamos, vosotros hablaríais, ellos hablarían, and ellas hablarían, and ustedes hablarían. Now let's take an ER verb, aprender. Aprender means to learn. Let's apply the rules one more time. Yo aprendería, tú aprenderías, él aprendería, ella aprendería, usted aprendería, nosotros aprenderíamos, vosotros aprenderíais, ellos aprenderían, ellas aprenderían, and ustedes aprenderían. Finally, let's look at an IR verb, escribir, which means to write. And let's do the same. Yo escribiría, tú escribirías, él escribiría, ella escribiría, usted escribiría, nosotros escribiríamos, vosotros escribiríais, ellos escribirían, ellas escribirían, and ustedes escribirían. Here, for your vocabulary, I've included some additional regular verbs. So an AR verb example would be rechazar, to reject, terminar, to end or finish, saltar is to jump, silbar is to whistle, resolver is to resolve or solve, romper is to break or tear, placer is to please or humor, escoger is to choose or select. Discutir, as an IR verb, is to discuss. Unir is to unite or join. Traducir is to translate. Sufrir is to suffer. Now, as is my custom, I'll end with a refrain or proverb. A falta de pan, buenas son las tortas. In the absence of bread, cakes are good. In English, the common phrase here would be half a loaf is better than none. I want to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Muchas gracias, and have a good day.